Welcome to the 3-Minute Leadership and Management Series, where you will be introduced to a breadth of effective leadership and people management skills that have worked well for me and others I have taught over the years. This series covers ways to address various scenarios as a leader and manager. It will enhance your skill set, and I'll introduce tricks of the trade. But I can assure you, there will be no Jedi mind tricks.
The Force is with you, young
Today,
Skywalker.
let's talk about a leader's mindset.
But you are not a Jedi yet.
Giving is a huge part of being a leader. If it doesn't feel good for you to give, then maybe leadership and people management isn't really for you. I would say most people like to give. It makes them feel good, and there are actually chemical interactions in your brain that take place when you give. One feel-good chemical is serotonin, which is released when you feel pride in what you've done. The other is oxytocin, which is released when you feel friendship and generosity. Imagine working with a person who is there to help you, gives you the recognition for tasks you worked, directs you to the next big assignment to help your career blossom, and helps you through challenges that seemed overwhelming. Would this person command trust? Here's a quote I just love. Leadership is not about being in charge. Leadership is about taking care of those in your charge. In the last video titled, The Critical Word for a Manager, I talked about listening. Communication is vital when it comes to building trust. Let me share a story that was unfortunately more common than not. An employee walks into the manager's office to discuss a critical topic. The manager, while listening, continues typing on the laptop, checking their cell phone periodically, and excuses themselves to take a phone call. A different manager, when walking into their office to discuss a critical topic, closed their laptop, turned to face the employee, did not address incoming texts, but then took notes from the conversation. I don't know about you, but that second manager earned my faith and trust. Being an active and attentive listener helps build teams, confidence, and trust. What gems did we pick up today? Giving feels good. There are chemicals released in your brain that give you an emotional boost. So give and get boosted. Be a servant leader. Take care of your team, and you will find in good and bad times, they will take care of you. Actively listen. Everyone thinks they can multitask, but trying to do so when someone is talking to you is disrespectful and relays the subliminal message that you don't care. It is my sincere hope that you enjoyed this video. We have many more fun topics to cover in both leadership and management, and here are just a few. We will cover skills you can learn and go over real-life scenarios I encountered over the years in hopes you can use these stories to overcome similar challenges. If you enjoyed this video, please like and click the subscribe button below so you can be informed when new videos are released. And feel free to leave comments on subjects you would like to hear more about in the future. Take care, and may the Course be with you.
Don't underestimate the Force.